Today, we're going to introduce how to use our vocal separation feature. This feature helps you separate vocals and instrumentals from a music track. You can choose to extract either the vocals or the accompaniment. It's perfect for creating karaoke tracks, background music, or isolating clean vocals for other creative uses. For example, whether you want just the a cappella vocals without background music, or you need a pure instrumental track, this tool makes it easy. Now, let's walk through how it works. First, click the Open button to choose the audio or video file you want to process. You can also drag and drop a file directly into this area. We'll use this sample file as an example. Once you've selected a file, click the Start button. The system will automatically begin separating the vocals and the accompaniment. The entire process is very simple. Just wait a short moment. After processing is complete, you'll get two MP3 files, one with the extracted vocals and one with the instrumental. Click to download the files. Now, let's listen to the results. First, here's how the original songs sound.
La boo boo, listen close and hear. Happy stories around us, the world is so dear. Sunshine is glowing, birds sing cheerfully.
Next, listen to the extracted instrumental. And finally, the separated vocals.
La boo boo, listen close and hear. Happy stories around us, the world is so dear. Sunshine is glowing, birds sing cheerfully.
Isn't that convenient? What's even better is the quality. Both the vocals and the instrumental tracks are clear and natural, with almost no noise, making them great for immediate use. Give it a try. We're sure you'll love this feature.